Praying the faith for me is worship. I came to Reformed liturgy and Reformed worship late in life, as well as to seminary. And the first time I participated in corporate confession of sin, I realized that what I was doing was something that I needed to be doing, was to say out loud with others around me how I failed God on a daily basis, and how my sinful condition was not necessarily something that I did from moment to moment, but something that needed to be dealt with by me moment to moment, so that I could actually live out the life I was called to live. So for me, praying the faith is a daily acknowledgement that I will never be fully in this world the person that I was called by God to be, but I am continually moving toward that, soaking myself in a conversation with God about what the next step should be.